So my name is Esme, I'm the club president. So each club usually has a theme. So for example, today we did AI and security. It was about jailbreaking and the security risks of AI, that kind of thing. And I talk usually for about 15 to 20 minutes before every club meeting to get people kind of prepped in the idea. We have all different experience levels at the club, and I want to make sure everyone's kind of on the same page for what we're going to be doing. And then the rest of the club is letting people go and talk, and I have activities for them. For example, I had 2 prompt injection activities today, and then one about Unicode and emojis for people to do.
All right, well, I'm Justice. I'm a junior cybersecurity student, so naturally, last year I joined the Cybersecurity Club and I liked it a lot. So I wanted to take a more active role. I'm now the vice president. So what that means is I'm doing write-ups for my president so that I can help her with these presentations that are so wonderful each time, and then a treasurer to help get funding for the club.
My name is Nate, and I am a PhD student who comes here to both learn and sort of teach others about cybersecurity and sort of share my love and knowledge, and it's just so much fun.
Compared to last year and this year, like we've really applied the learnings we've done, but this year especially with the introduction of all the presentations going on, like then being able to apply that, I would say that's the most enjoyable part of it. You could see the theory and then also we can apply that. That's where we're taking this club.
Cybersecurity is important in every single job, no matter what you have. You might not think that your job involves cybersecurity, but do you have an email? Well, you should care about cybersecurity.
So when you come to Cybersecurity Club, people are just genuinely excited to learn. They're genuinely excited to share their knowledge and to talk to people about something they're interested in. People have really nice senses of justice in the club. They want to protect and they want to help people. They want to use what they know about technology for good, and I really like that.
Just sort of hope to learn more about security in general and also share my love and my knowledge about cybersecurity with other people. And ultimately, I hope by sort of sharing my passion with other people that there'll be more people that become passionate, sort of, spreading the bug around, for lack of a better word. We spread the infection of cybersecurity, which is a good thing, I think.
I also really just want to push my message that cybersecurity is for everyone. I'm a huge believer in that. It would be awesome to see people from different majors come in, people just who are hobbyists in cybersecurity, and have everyone have fun together, exchanging knowledge and learning from each other.